Today I will be doing full review of this 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person, but if you already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. Keep your car spotless wherever you go with this powerful and portable solution. The best budget wireless car vacuum cleaner offers cordless convenience, strong suction and compact design, perfect for quick cleanups on the road or at home. This delivers excellent versatility to meet different cleaning demands. The Type-C charging cable ensures modern convenience. The unit remains reasonably quiet and lightweight, making it easy to handle. The package includes 3 accessories that support detailed cleaning of tight corners. Upholstery. This handles routine tasks efficiently. Items' attention to functionality and thoughtful packaging makes this an ideal solution for anyone looking to keep their car's interior spotless on the go. It combines vacuuming and dust blowing in a single tool, ideal for full spectrum cleaning. This portable wireless car vacuum cleaner offers impressive versatility for both vehicle and household use. Its compact size and lightweight ABS build make it easy to carry and operate without fatigue, while its powerful suction easily lifts dust, hair and small debris, operating quietly and offering ease of maintenance through a detachable and washable dustbin and HEPA filter. This unit balances power and convenience. Whether you are cleaning up pet hair, spilled crumbs or fine dust, this portable vacuum ensures a fast, effective solution for everyday messes at home or on the road. On the front side, it says 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, portable, mini, home and car. Model number is YTM2037. Suction nozzle, brush, blow. Some functionalities of this item: blow crevice, blow out the door gap. Some specifications and standards: made in China. On this side, a list of product features: miniature and portable, multi-filtration, mute operation, Type-C charging, wireless design, 65,000 R strong suction. As per this label, it's been shipped from Spain. Let's open this and see what's inside. You can get this for just 99 cents USD with special offers from AliExpress. A real bargain. Tiny manual in very small letters containing instructions in English and Chinese. Please go through it before trying to operate this. This is an accessory for extending the vacuum. USB-C charging cable. Make sure to charge it fully before using it. Vacuum extension. The brush can be mounted onto the end of this extension. This is an accessory to the blower side. This is the transparent dustbin with a one-way flap. Inside is the washable filter. Can be removed like this. It's made of ABS plastic. Though lightweight, it's quite sturdy. Well built with quality ABS material. And then there's a small flip to keep dirt from falling back or going the wrong way. This filter and the transparent dustbin are both washable. Let's put these aside and move on to the main unit. Wrapped in a bubble bag. It's a little heavy. This contains the suction motor and the battery inside here and all the other necessary electronics in here. This side is the suction. And this is the blower side. Means they are sucked through here and then will be blowing out from here. This is the power button, USB-C charging port and the indicator light. When charging, the indicator will turn to red. Just click the button and it will start, the motor will start. When it's running, the indicator light will light up in green. It's a little noisy when operating, as you can hear. Now I'll show how to assemble these parts together. Push the dust filter into the dustbin and it will lock in place with a click. Then align these latches on the bin with the motor arm. Push it in and twist to lock. Once it's locked in place, push the extension arm through here. And finally, the brush extension can be used in situations like where you need to remove a lot of lightweight debris, maybe like fur or tiny pieces of dust particles or very light materials. We are going to use it as the blower. Fix this small piece onto the back of it, onto the blower side. Now I'm going to test the suction power of this vacuum. There's some rice, sugar and lentils on this piece of paper. Let's switch this on and see how it goes. It seems like with the brush extension attached, it's simply not going to work this time. So I will remove the brush extension and see how it performs. Good. It sucked them all without any hassle. Yes, this will easily suck these small lightweight things. As you can see here, this is where it has all gone. See here in the transparent bin. Now I will twist this to open and back onto the paper. This will be a nice gift for your loved ones during this holiday season. With all that, guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Have a nice and a lovely day. See you next time. Bye.